Let's sketch this solid and then find its volume. We have the curve y equals x cubed. We know that that goes through the origin and the point 1, 1, and it looks something like this. And then we have y equals the square root of x that also goes to the origin and the point 1, 1, and will look something like this. We want to rotate that about the x-axis. So we'll get this bowl shape. And when we look at a slice, the slice is going to be a washer. Now just remember that the outer curve is y equals the square root of x, and then that inner curve is y equals x cubed. Setting up the volume, we have the integral from 0 to 1, and then we'll take the area of one of those washers and dx. Now, the integral from 0 to 1, to find the area of that washer, we want to take pi, multiply by the outer radius squared. So we have the square root of x squared minus pi times the inner radius, which is x cubed squared, and dx. Simplifying this, we have the integral from 0 to 1, pi times x minus pi times x to the 6th. Now we can integrate. I'll pull pi outside, and we now have 1/2 x squared minus 1/7 x to the 7th. And we are integrating from 0 to 1. Now we'll go through and plug in our upper limit and lower limit. We have pi times 1/2, plug in 1, squared, minus 1/7, plug in 1 to the 7th. And then we also want to subtract, plug in the lower limit. 1/2 times 0 squared minus 1/7 times 0 to the 7th. Simplifying this, we get 5 pi 14ths, which is the volume of the solid.